All right, guys, so don't mind the mess. My shop is a little messy right now. I gotta find time to clean it out. It seems like stuff just accumulates really quick. I bought this last week. Really excited to use it, put it to work. I've really needed one of these for a long time. Um, I've always just cut with a grinding wheel, like on a angle grinder. It takes a lot longer. Like I said, I've needed one of these for a long time. I finally went and got one the other day, well, last week at Harbor Freight. We're gonna get this out today and use it and kind of give it a little review, I guess. It's got a lot of good reviews. Yesterday, went and picked this thing up. It's gonna be great for like small projects like the rocket stove we're building. Um, it seems like a very good, durable, just a good fab table for small projects, and it actually has like the swivels on it and you could tilt it at different angles. And let's see, it also has these side plates right here. You could loosen these up and move these sides up. Those can help you when you're fabbing items as well. So I went ahead and picked up one of these abrasive saws. It's not a big deal. I'm going to fill it all up with weld anyways. I'm just going to make sure everything's straight before I weld it. So these imperfect lines don't really matter. In the tacking process, as long as you line everything up properly, you can fill everything in with weld. So that's what we'll have to do.